Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for in-depth reviews and stylish home finds. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best throw pillow covers pink currently available on the market, the 18x18 throw pillow covers set of 2 by COTEY. Let's get into it. So picture this. You're updating your living room, or maybe just want to add a cozy, elegant touch to your bed or favorite chair. This set might be exactly what you need. These covers strike a perfect balance between comfort, aesthetics, and functionality. And at 18 by 18 inches, they're a versatile size that fits most standard square throw pillows. Now what really sets these apart is the material. On the front, you have luxurious faux fur, incredibly soft to the touch, almost like petting a cloud. Flip it over and you get the velvet back, smooth, durable, and just as soft. It's a dual texture experience that adds depth and coziness to any space. The covers are made from 100% polyester, which means they're not just soft, but also durable and easy to maintain. And here's a crucial point. This is a pillow cover set only. Inserts are not included, so you'll need to pair them with 18 by 18 inserts of your choice. Still, the covers fit snugly and securely thanks to the high-quality hidden zippers. These zippers are long, allowing for easy insertion and removal, and they blend in so well you'll barely notice they're there. Let's talk design. The pink color is soft and warm, perfect for neutral or feminine home decor. It works beautifully on gray, beige, or white furniture, and gives a gentle pop of color without overwhelming the room. Whether you're styling a modern, boho, or classic space, this shade of pink blends in while standing out. That's a hard balance to strike. Another plus is how practical these covers are. They're machine washable. Just toss them in cold water and tumble dry on low. No bleach, no softener, no ironing, easy care, no stress. And let's face it, if you have kids, pets, or just love a clean aesthetic, washable covers are a non-negotiable. The craftsmanship is also worth mentioning. Each cover is hand-cut and sewn, so there may be a slight variation, about 1 to 2 centimeters. That human touch adds to the charm, and you really feel the quality when you hold them in your hands. And finally, what makes these an excellent buy is the overall value. With a price that often dips below $15 for a pair, you're getting high-end design and comfort without the designer price tag. They're affordable, stylish, and practical, an ideal upgrade whether you're refreshing a single room or doing a full home makeover. That's it for today's review of the 18 by 18 throw pillow covers by COTEY. If you're looking for a cozy, chic, and budget-friendly way to elevate your home decor, this pink duo might just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product you'd like us to review next.